I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the headlamp and the fender on this 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage. You see that screw right there? Number 10. Go ahead and take that out. Take that one out. There's one right here. Take that out. Comes right out. Go ahead and take the plugs loose. A lot of plugs, huh? All the plugs loose, it comes right off. Alright guys, you want to take them 2 clips from there. Go to move them 2 clips. Open this piece up. Open it up. Take that from behind there. Okay, there's one screw on the side. The screw is up here. You gotta move that piece out of the way. This is a fillet head, 2 of them. You pry it out. See, you pry it out. Y'all see the bolt right there? The nut is right there. Open the door up. There's a screw right there and one right there. Move that piece out of the way. There's another one right there. Use the extension. This one is right there, and one more right there. Take that out. All right. See this black piece that goes on top of there? Move that out of the way. There's another one right there. Move that out of the way. One. There's another one right there. This comes right off. Unplug the signal lamp and it comes off. Do that. You did that clip right there. Move that clip. See that? It comes right off. That's how you take off the fender on this Mitsubishi Mirage. Okay? Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to detrim the door, the handle, the mirror, and the trim panel. But this will be underneath my trim panel. The link will be in the description below, okay? Alright, see you guys on the other one. The boy working, we ain't checking out.